Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extract the text from the video, or in other words, how to get the transcripts of a YouTube video text format or editable format. After getting the text, I will show you how to rewrite this text into a YouTube video scripts and make your own video. So by applying this method, you can follow any big YouTuber in your niche. Just copy their video, extract the text, and convert this into your own video script. So make the video of same idea but in the different way. So first thing first, let me show you how to convert the video into the text format. So first I will copy the video I want to extract the text. Simply just copy and then here type how to extract text from YouTube video. Hit enter. You will get a lot of options. You can use any free option, but I would recommend you to use the opus.pro. Just click on it. So here under drop a video link, just paste the URL which you just copied from YouTube. Then click on transcribe and here click on generate transcript. Wait for a while. It will take up to 5 to 6 minutes and then it will give you the downloadable files. As you can see, transcripts are ready. Here I will get 3 options: download SRT, download TXT, which is notepad, and copy to clipboard. The best practice is download as a text format, save and open. So here you can see what I spoke into the video is now in the text format. The main thing is how to create the script from this text. So all you need to do is just select all, copy, open any AI. My recommendation is Copilot. Here type generate YouTube video script from below text, at enter, paste the text and again enter. Now let me show you very interesting thing. This video was about how to upload videos for maximum engagement in 2026. Here what AI did for us. It gives me a intro and then in step 1 uploading, then step 2 creating the perfect title, then professional description. So all these 10 steps I have mentioned in my video, and what AI does for us, we just extracted the text from the video, copied, paste into the AI application which is Copilot, and it generated us in the step-by-step script. And you can just copy paste into the Word. This gives you the exact same steps which I did in my video, but in the different way, in the different word, not similar to the one which I did in my video. What are the benefits of doing this? This is the best way to get the YouTube video ideas from top creators of your niche, and you can easily make the videos scripts through Copilot. That's the end of today's video. See you in the next one.